We are in the Solong Eco Park just for the evening, just having a look around. We're going to go and have a bit of a hike or a wander, whichever way you want to have a look at it. So we thought we would come out and have a look at the park, the Solong Eco Park. Just go straight up this way to the cafe. That's what it says.
Cafe Ella.
Cafe, yeah. Okay, people, which way? Left, right?
Straight.
She says straight. That's straight. This is left. Certainly something different. The steps are made out of tyres. What's your step? Oh wow. Come on, woman. Leave the little lady behind. And there's more to follow. Here we go. Going up. Duck. Here we go, levelling out now.
Don't worry, just a coffee.
Yeah, exactly. No worries. Coffee at the end, darling.
You said drone.
No, I don't think that was a drone, was it?
Yeah, said drone.
Oh, okay. Didn't sound like one. Oh. Bum, bum, bum. Going up with my brother-in-law and my wife. And I can hear music, so we must be nearly there. Hold on, I'll turn around. Right. Here we go. Look at the scenery. Wow. That is amazing. There you go. Yeah. Come on. Here we go. All right.
I'm very good.
Oh, that's torture.
Crystal Caves that way. What's that? Viewpoint. Viewpoint, baby. Keep going. Follow me.
How about the Crystal Cave?
Wow. There's another steep incline. Look at that. All done with tyres. I would have hated to be the person that put the tyres up here. Wow, look.
You go.
The majestic Mount Mayon. showing its frosty cone. Keep going, boy, keep going. Whew. Wow, what a beautiful sight. And this is the real Philippines. Just as the sun's going down. What a spectacular place to come. Solong Eco Park. Oop. Everywhere you go, it's a photo opportunity. Look at this. Get the Mount I. And we keep going up. Wow. That's something else. And now we're here.
May sasabi ka.
The third cottage. Wow, look at that. Suddenly. Huh? Here. Hey. Helps.
It helps, thank you.
Okay. Anytime, baby. Anytime. I will be your assistant.
Masaya na naman yan, oh. Nakaano.
Kaya maganda ganitong kwan. Kapag kwan ganito, masyado mainit naman ito pag mga alas after noon. Dapat mainit ito.
Ganitong oras.
Pumunta kami dito, di pag ganito. Wala pa mga bakod-bakod dyan.
Ah,
Papa yung ganyan na kainan.
he's preparing his drone to fly. That is Mayon volcano.
Dito ang background niya yung Mayon.
Sabi ko, dapat ito sumayin ako na aram ko sila.
Kaya ba uligaw? Ako. Di ba may magkwan man dito? So, Tigbaw, hay na.
Ah,
The owner po nito is may ano, tita. So, yung Tigbaw, malapit din kina Kuya Jumbo nung pinuntahan natin. Nandun yun, yung may ilaw doon sa taas.
yun.
Oo.
Oo.
Sa taas nila Kuya Jumbo yun eh. Daan.
Shout out.
Shout out po kay Mama, andito po ako sa...
Camilig.
Sigurado kang hindi ka naglayas.
Kasama ko po yung kapatid ko.
Ay, kapatid.
Nilaglag yung kapatid.
Nilagyan. May sticker ako.
One.
Gotta wait now.
Aray,
Out of nowhere, sobrang ano siya. Dito, po kayo dito tas back.
cellphone ko.
Don't take answer, right? Won't connect.
Maybe too far.
No, maybe I've got no internet. That's bomber.
Feel ko kanina kasi pinig, minumod ko na ako. Ang damdamin mo. Pag matagal naman ka din. Pero kung matagal naman ka din, bakal. Ay, May ano siya. Hindi mo sure.
It's a sunset time.
Camping chair pa kami.
Right, go down. Right to the other side. Go up on the viewing platform over the other side. See if we can connect to the internet here, and then I can fly my drone.
Noy, okay lang. Wala man kaming internet. Wala man kaming
Okay, quick update. Can't fly my drone. They have a Wi-Fi system here, but nobody's got the code. As I don't have a SIM card at the moment, I got to put up with the fact that I can't fly my drone. But we will be back next week, and we'll try and fly it then, because this is absolutely brilliant. Anyway, what we'll do is we'll go up, we'll have a look around. At the moment, in the distance, you can see Mount I is fully open, no clouds, and they call this the perfect cone. This is like in Bohol, the chocolate mountains of Bohol, but better. Here we go.
Baka maabulta pa. Tayo kayo.
That's it.
You take a picture from here.
Yeah, very descriptive. Thank you very much for the camera.
Oh, yeah, I'm in the camera.
As they say, just for fun. It's only a net. Go on a day.
Don't move, mom.
Come on.
Just join us.
You ready?
Yes.
It's only a net, girl. There you go. It's just a net, really. Look at that. Mount Mayon in the background.
Ganun, Noy. Halika, Noy. Uy, natakot ka.
Look, straight above.
Let's go.
Now the sun's going down and Mount Mayon is opened up. We can see the sun in the distance over the horizon.
So may bag ko.
And there is the moon.
Noy. Picture, Noy.
Well, as night falls on Caf Ella, we've had a coffee and we'll soon be going home.
Flashlight. Small one.
Now we're going down. This will be fun in the dark. Just got to hold on tight. Oh, yeah, this is sketchy, people. There's lights now and again, so it's not too bad. What a brilliant place. So that was part 1, and part 2 to follow when we can put the drone up. So watch this space. Yeah. Okay, we're now going to concentrate on actually getting down without falling over, so we'll see you at the bottom.